Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 simple and easy coding activities for kids. First one is coding the planets in order. And what our little ones have to do here, start here by using arrows. They connect the planets in order like this. Here start here what comes here upside arrow, then from Mercury to Venus, left side right side arrow, then upside, again upside, then left side, then upside, like that. Ask the kids, draw the arrows that connects the planets in order. And the second one is use arrow directions to help the bunny to reach the carrot. And the third one is color coding activity. In this activity, I gave some codes here, like A3 means A here and tree is here, this box. And what our kids need to do here, they color this code, these boxes, like A3 and B2 is here and B3 here. After they done, they got one shape. And the fourth activity is how many steps are required to complete the shapes. And here one, and ask the kids, draw the steps with arrows like this. And here one right arrow, and what comes here, and one right arrow and one upside, like that. Guys, these activities are really helps to improve problem solving skills and logical thinking in younger kids. Now Haran is going to do all these activities. Let's see how it goes. Hi Haran.
Hi.
Today we are going to do some coding activities.
Yeah.
Do you like coding activities?
Yeah, they're my favorite.
Let's start.
Where did the bunny go? Down. Then the bunny go? Where? Did the bunny go? Up. And the bunny go right. Can the bunny go up? Can the bunny go this way? Can the bunny go this way again? Did he get the carrot?
Wow, that's awesome. Good job.
With a heart on it. That's why he loves the carrot. Yum, yum, yum.
Next one is planets activity. Code the planets in order by using arrows. Okay?
Yes.
Start.
First, use
What's the first planet?
is Mercury.
Yeah. Next. Do you know the planets' names?
Yeah.
Can you tell me?
Mercury. Venus.
Earth.
Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune.
How many steps are required to complete the shapes? Here, how many steps are required to complete the triangle?
1.
1. And complete and draw an arrow here in this box. Which way? Good job.